Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be installing the Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. We got a 4 full solution, full response, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. In my opinion, this is the best tempered glass screen protector that you can possibly get for your smartphone. These are my go-to screen protectors for pretty much all of my devices, and today we are going to be installing the one on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure your device is powered off, which my device is powered off. And then after that, we want to take these black stickers right here. Now, as you can see, I got everything set up and ready to go, so it can make it a little bit easier for us. So make sure your device is powered off, and you also want to make sure you're doing this on a flat, clean surface, pretty much a dust-free environment if possible. But what we want to do first is take these black stickers right here. We're going to take each one off just like this, and then we are going to attach them on each side of the device, the top of the device and the bottom. So let me go ahead and take this one off right here so I can kind of show you how it's done. So we'll take the small piece of plastic off first, and then you want to go to the side right here where the buttons are, and you can just kind of put it right over like that. And what this is going to do is basically prevent any adhesive from kind of coming over the sides and damaging the sides of your device. And then we want to do this for both sides, like I said, the top and the bottom. All right, so I've got it on both the sides, the top and the bottom, as you can see there, and feel free to pause throughout the video so you don't miss out on any steps moving forward. Now next, what we're going to do is take one of these wet wipes right here. Go ahead and open this up, toss that to the side, and just go ahead and wipe your screen down. Wipe it free from any fingerprints, any stains, anything like that. We want to make sure our display is as clean as possible. There we go. Now, I literally just did my unboxing video for this device, so it's pretty much still fresh out of the box, so it shouldn't be too dirty. So after you're done cleaning that, you want to take the dry little towel that they give us here, the dry cloth, just dry it up. There we go, just like that. Go ahead and set this back down. So at this point, we are going to take our little rig that we have right here. Let me go ahead and take this adhesive bottle out of the way. So we're gonna take this and set it on top of the phone. But before we do that, we want to make sure that we take off this little plastic piece right here down at the bottom, just like that, because this little piece that you see right here is actually going to be the piece that covers the earpiece of the phone, so you don't get any adhesive in that earpiece. And we're just going to put the phone right inside, and it's gonna feel a little tight, kind of like you have to jam it in there, but don't worry, no damage will be done to your device. Turn it to the back, as you can see there, fits in there nice and perfect. Then we'll just put a little bit of pressure here to make sure that that sticker up the top is sticking over the earpiece, so you ensure that no adhesive gets into that earpiece. So now we'll take our bridge right here, put it right on top, just like that. And then you'll see this little thing up here to the left that you can turn. Let me pick this up again really quick. This little knob up here, you're gonna wanna turn that until it can't turn anymore. And make sure that this little blue part up here is down, because it does pop up like that, but you don't want that to pop up just yet. Make sure it is down so it locks this red piece in place, and it'll allow you to turn this as much as you can. You want to turn it until it stops. I'm almost there. And there we go. That I can't turn it anymore. So you want to make sure you turn it all the way. Don't forget that. And then also make sure your bridge is right there, right in the middle. Now, once we're done with that, we're going to take our dust remover stickers here and remove any dust that may be on the display. Now, we do have these little white pieces here that you see to the side. Now, we actually don't even need these yet. Whitestone Dome provides us 2 of everything. So in case we mess up the first time, we're able to go back and do it again. Or if maybe a couple months from now or a couple weeks from now, you need to replace that screen protector, this does come with another screen protector. You can see I got one right here, and I got another one right here over to the side. Now those white pieces that I just showed you right now, they're actually already in there. So they come pre-installed in this little kit right here. So you just have extra right there that I put over to the side. So we'll go ahead and take our dust remover sticker here and just go over the display. If you want to lift up the bridge, you can, just to make sure there's no dust under it. And I'm just gonna go all the way around my display to ensure that there is no dust, because you don't want any air bubbles to pop up once you put that screen protector on. There we go, looks good to me. So I'm gonna set my bridge back on there just like that. Let me put this to the side. Now we can go ahead and take our adhesive here and put it on the display. Now again, make sure you are on a flat surface. I think I'm on a flat surface. I kind of have my desk on a blanket here to kind of help soundproof the room, but it's not really doing that good of a job. But let's go ahead and see what happens here. So you're gonna wanna open up the colored side, the pink side, not the black part. We're gonna deal with that side later. Let's go ahead and open up this and just set it right in the hole on your bridge. Now at this point, we can go ahead and take off the black part. Just go ahead and open it up like that, take it out, and that is going to allow the adhesive to drip down to your display. So it does look like we are on a flat surface. I don't see the adhesive trying to go to the right or the left, top or bottom. Now I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds to ensure that all the adhesive has dripped out onto the display. Okay, so that was about 30 seconds. Now when taking off this bridge part, you wanna make sure to put some pressure on the red part so you don't accidentally move it out of place. There we go. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and take our screen protector here, take it out of the packaging, and then take off the plastic on the bottom, just like that. There we go. And make sure the bottom part is facing down. You can tell because it kind of has a curve on both edges of the screen protector. Kind of hard to tell here on camera, but there's a curve going down. So you want to make sure that curve is going down. And you want to make sure the bottom of the glass meets the bottom of the inside of this jig here. And then you're just gonna drop it down just like that. And then we have this piece right here, kind of like a weight, as you can see. It's gonna kind of help everything spread out into place. So you can hold it right here on the sticker. And then these little parts down here are going to meet right at the bottom. There's little inserts right there. And you can just set it down on the screen protector nice and carefully. And then at this point, it is go time. So remember that little blue part that I told you to make sure was locked earlier? Well, now is the time to set that loose and watch the magic happen. So here we go. And let's see. Boom, just like that. There it goes, there it goes. Let me turn this to the side. Look at that. And there goes that adhesive. Almost out. There we go, all the way off, as you can see there. And as you can see, the adhesive is still spreading. You want to give it about, I'd say maybe about 2 minutes to ensure that it's fully spread out through the entire screen protector. So I'm gonna wait about 2 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so it has been about 2 minutes and it looks like the adhesive has evenly spread among the entire screen protector. So at this point, we'll go ahead and take off this top piece right here nice and carefully. Set that over to the side. Now we're going to take our UV light right here that has been provided. And as you can see here, one press will give you 15 seconds. 2 presses will give you 60 seconds. So what we want to do now is do 15 seconds on the bottom and 15 seconds on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this here. Wait 15 seconds. And then we'll do another 15 seconds at the top. You know what, we'll do another 15 seconds right in the middle because this is a bigger device, so I want to make sure that all the adhesive gets cured. Go ahead and do that in the middle as well. Okay, now we can set this to the side for now, and now it is time to take out the device out of this little jig that we got here. And you basically just push it out just like that. Now we can take our wet towel right here, or a little wet wipe, and just wipe around the edges to make sure, in case if there was any adhesive that happened to maybe made its way out of there, just clean it up so it doesn't stick to your device. And then once we're done doing that, we can now take off the stickers that we put on the top, bottom, and sides. So there's the top, there's the bottom, there's the left side, and the right side. There we go. Then we can go ahead and just give it another quick wipe all the way around the edges, just to ensure that it's nice and clean. And then we'll dry it off really quick, and then we'll bring in the UV light one more time. Now, before we bring in the UV light one more time, what I like to do personally is just apply a little bit of pressure here where the fingerprint sensor is for about 30 seconds to ensure that the screen protector is going to work with that in-display fingerprint sensor. So I'm just going to apply pressure here just for a little bit, just to ensure that that fingerprint sensor works with this screen protector right here. All right, so that was about 30 seconds. We'll go ahead and bring in our UV light back and do 60 seconds at the top and 60 seconds on the bottom. Remember, 2 presses gives you 60 seconds. Awesome, and then 60 seconds on the bottom. Here we go. And there it is, 60 seconds on the top, 60 seconds on the bottom, and it is looking great. I don't see any air bubbles or anything like that. I think I actually did a really good job with this one. Look at that. And just to let you guys know, it is screen protector friendly, or not screen protector friendly, it is case friendly. They do leave you some room on the sides and the top. That way it works with cases as well. As you can see here, I have one on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it works perfectly with this case that I have on it. The only cases that it doesn't really work the best with is those really bulky, rugged cases. But I do have case reviews coming for this device, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos, because I will be using this screen protector with those cases as well. But for the most part, it is case friendly. But let's go ahead and try out that in-display fingerprint sensor to see how good that works with this screen protector here. All right, so I got it powered on and ready to go. Now, you do want to make sure that you re-add your fingerprint sensor after you put the screen protector on, just to ensure that it works a whole lot better with the screen protector than if you weren't to re-add those fingerprints. But let's go ahead and try it out. Look at that. Boom. One more time. Boom. 2 more times. 1, 2. Look at that. Let's try it without opening it up. Look at that. Works pretty much every time. Look at that, working perfectly with that in-display fingerprint sensor. So again, in my opinion, one of the best, if not the best, tempered glass screen protector that you can get for your device. Now, if you see this little thing that I have here to the left, probably wondering what it is. This also came in the box with the screen protector. It's actually for the back of the device. It's kind of like a little soft padding here. So you can see really bending, but there's a little sticker in the back that you just pull off like this. You can see the little middle part stayed right there, but we'll deal with that in a little bit. And this goes this goes on the back of your device. So you can basically just stick it on the back of your phone like that. Now it does come with a gray one and a black one that you see here. I don't know why I grabbed the gray one. I should have put the black one on so it goes better with the device. But this is just kind of to show you what this is. Make sure it's on there nice and good. And then you'll get the middle part right here. Whoops. And then just basically stick it in the middle like that. Now, what this is actually for is so you can be able to have a padding and a sticker with you at all times to clean your display. So say your display is dirty, full of fingerprints. Well, you got this little pad back here where you can just wipe down that display, clean it, and then if there's any dust, you can use the back to take off any dust that might be on that screen protector. And then when you're done, you can just stick it right back in the back, so it is reusable. So I don't know if I'll see myself using that every day, but still pretty cool. Pretty cool, and it could be useful that they've added in the box. I'm sure some people will find themselves using this. But there it is, my installation for the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about this screen protector? If you do find yourself interested in it, I'll make sure to have links down in the description below. But thank you all so very much for watching this video. If you did like it and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.